Hi, John O'Donnell here from MarineMax on Kent Island. I'm here today to take you through a 2016 Scout 255 LXF. She's got twin 150 horse Yamahas on the back, S-Tech on the swim platform. We've got a swim ladder back here, all right, off of the starboard quarter on the swim platform. You've got rod and cup holders across the transom right here, and on the port quarter, you've got a live well, recirculating live well. You also have the drop-down cleats here, so you don't get your fishing lines caught on here, or your lines when you're maneuvering around the boat when you're underway. Right here on the, just forward of the transom, you've got a pull-down seat here, so if you got extra passengers on board, just flip the seat out and you're good to go. A lot more seating area available to you. Down here, excellent access into your bilge area. So you've got your fuel filters, your raw and freshwater pumps, your bilge pump, your through hulls and seacocks. Excellent access here for all of your maintenance and all of your needs here on the boat. You got a transom pass through here as well to get in and out of the swim platform and the swim ladder right back here. So on our leading post here, we have a second recirculating bait or live well we got for you right here. We also have on the back more rod holders and cup holders. Down below, large Yeti cooler, slides out with gas hydraulic assist, slides in and out, and great stainless steel grip bar here for any of your passengers that are hanging on while you're coming along. Moving forward on your console, you've got these wonderful dual bolster seats, so whether your driver, the captain, or the co-pilot, you can pull down your bolsters individually, and of course you have your armrests, which will come up and down individually. Here at the command center, on your con, you got your twin Yamaha 150s. You've got your 12-inch Garmin display, your Yamaha engine management system. You've got the Edson wheel with the suicide knob, and your Lenco trim tabs with a LED indicator, a compass, and a AIS capable Garmin VHF radio. Right here inside the center console, we've got our cabin. Within the cabin, we have the porcelain marine head with a lot of room in here, very comfortable, very spacious. We have an opening port for ventilation. You have a built-in battery charger. You've got your house and engine batteries behind that panel. You have your main switch panel here, and then your Fusion radio head with Bluetooth up top here. Up forward here, we've got dual seats here just forward of the center console. You have an insulated cooler box, self-draining underneath here. So in addition to the large Yeti cooler back there, you've got additional opportunity here to bring drinks on board, or you can keep your fish cold in here on ice. Again, self-draining. Lots of storage around here. Below here, another deep, large storage compartment. And then on the port and starboard sides here, we've got matching, again, insulated and self-draining storage compartments on either side here. And notice the gas assist struts there, which is indicative of the Scout's attention to quality, fit, and finish. Here you've got a really neat pull down. This comes across, and now it becomes a table while you're sitting up here, up forward, and with cup holders. And then you've got another insulated cooler box, self-draining up here as well. Twin Fusion speakers with the Bluetooth Fusion stereo system, in addition to the two speakers back aft in the cockpit. You've got your anchor windlass controls here, and your stainless steel anchor up here. Well, thank you for going through this 2016 Scout 255 LXF here at MarineMax Kent Island. My name is John O'Donnell, and I'm here available to show it to you. Come on down. This is a rare find, and I know you'll like this boat. See you soon.